Hi guys, we are here at RJ Guitar Center with Dayan. I-cover po namin yung kanta ng The Carpenters. Ang pamagat po nito ay You. Sana magustuhan niyo po.
Since we are to the day, you are the cloud that sits quiet, listening to me, and all of that sense that name. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's so true, how could anyone more to me than you? Sorry it's sometimes when you pass you, there's no one leaving your eyes. Inside my head, the wheels are turning. It's sometimes